关注他一下，他也是英语的老师。
好的。
Yeah.
好的。
And it's amazing. A lot of people from the Philippines are English teachers. And one thing I've noticed about Filipino teachers is their prices are very cheap, but they teach English so well. Sometimes better than native speakers. It's crazy. Yeah, honestly,
I don't
Dr.
know.
Richard, you're like a native speaker. Yeah, honestly. I think Filipinos are really good at English, to be honest. And especially Dr. Richard. Dr. Richard is the best. He's better than me, right, Dr. Richard?
No. You're also good. We're good. We're all good.
Well, you know what? My Filipino is better than Dr. Richard's, right? Absolutely.
Maybe. Yes, absolutely.
How to say hello in Filipino?
We usually just say hello, but our form of saying hello is like saying our way of saying hello in the Philippines is like saying how are you in English. So it's like kamusta. Yeah, kamusta.
Kamusta. I said, what part of England are you from? Can you guess? Can you guess which part of England I'm from? Dr. Richard, do you remember where I'm from in England?
Oh my gosh, you're my friend, but I think I'm having amnesia right now.
No. Does anybody remember where I'm from in England? Does anybody know where I'm from in England? Does anybody remember? Does anybody care?
London?
Adam actually got it right. Yes, I'm from Oxford.
You're from
How
Oxford.
did you know that? Yeah, how did you know that? Probably from my accent, right? But I think it's got a northern hint to it now because I've been studying in the north of England for a while. Not Liverpool. Oh, bro, if I had a Liverpool accent, you guys wouldn't be here right now because you wouldn't be able to understand me. Bro.
Oh.
Yeah,
Liverpool
if I...
like a heavy accent?
Well, a heavy accent? It's more than a heavy accent, mate. A Liverpool accent is like a whole different type of English. Whole different type of English.
Can you do a sample part if you can imitate their accent?
Hold on. Chicken and a can of Coke. Chicken and a can of Coke. Got a cigarette. Got a cigarette and a chicken can of Coke. Really? You don't understand?
I didn't understand a thing. Not at all.
I said a chicken and a can of Coke, and I want to have a cigarette.
Oh, chicken and a can of Coke. Oh.
A chicken and a can of Coke? I want a ciggy. You got a cigarette?
That sounds totally alien to me.
Whoa, this Mike said that's gibberish. Whoa, I'm going to get a Liverpool guy here, and he's going to tell you off. Don't tell them that they speak gibberish. They'll get angry at you. Although I kind of do agree. That they do speak gibberish, to be honest. Right. Anyway, Dr. Richard, yeah. When do you do your voice rooms now? Tell everybody so they know when you're live.
Yeah, I will start doing voice room probably tomorrow, 10 p.m. China time, because that's the only time I'm free. I'm officially back. I've been hibernating for almost a year now. So I keep saying, I'll come back. But officially, I will come back.
It's hard to commit. It's hard to commit on Hello Talk.
It is.
Make sure.
We all love them to talk though, but it's really hard. I agree.
Yeah, exactly. All right then, yeah, Doctor, it's nice saying hello to you. You're more than free to stay on the stage if you want to and help out with English. I'm not sure if you've got something to do because you are a doctor and you're a musician, so busy life. Unlike me, I'm in the holidays now, so.
Oh, really? Is it holiday in London? In the UK right now?
No, in the UK it's not holiday. Well, no, actually, yeah. They'll have a holiday for maybe like 2-3 weeks, but we have it in China for 2 months until March.
Okay.
Until March, yeah. So I'm chilling. My grandmother is going to come to China soon, so I'm going to take her around China and see China,
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm excited, My grandmother hasn't been to China before, so, and China is so different. So I'm very excited.
First time.
I hope so. Yeah, Dr. Richard, you heard everybody. Go follow Dr. Richard. He'll be live tomorrow at, what did you say, 10 a.m.?
10 p.m. China time, yeah.
Okay, 10 p.m. China time. Okay, go follow him, everybody. Oh, gosh, we got a spammer. What's this? Oh, my gosh. Why? There's so many just Thank you, Dr. Richard. Hold on, I got a spammer. Go away. Why? I don't understand. Just go away. Holy moly macaroni. All right, thank you, Dr. Richard. Please go follow him. Right, Holly, 你来，你再来。
我在。
Okay, so Holly, has anybody ever told you that you have a really nice voice?
I don't think so.
Really? Does anybody else agree with me? Holly's voice is really nice to listen to. It's very relaxing. I really like her voice. I really like it. It's a beautiful voice. Yeah, see, look. 你看他们都同意啊。你的 voice is very nice to listen to. Really nice to listen to. I feel like if you did some videos... Oh gosh, my voice is horrible. What was that? Is that really what I sound like? Oh my goodness. If I really sound like that, it's game over, bro. I'm cooked. Yeah, anyway, Holly, you have a great voice. Honestly, you should do some your own voice. Holly, I can hear myself. 为什么我听到自己的声音不好听难听啊？我真的无语了。听到自己的声音，让我哭，因为很臭，我的声音很臭。
你的声音很好听啊。
No, it's not. Anyway, yeah, you have a great voice. I think you should open your own voice rooms, Holly, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, smelly lol. 没有说很丑，不是丑很丑不是丑，你不可以说长得很丑死了吗？是什么意思啊？丑 ？No. Holly， 我会跟别人聊天吧。
好的，
但是谢谢你来。丑。好的。丑。What's the difference? Holly， 我可以听到自己的声音，你可以 mute your mic, please. Thank you. Holly。
怎么了？
哎呀，我说我听到自己的声音，你可以 mute your mic 一下吗？
我可以。
mute。好的，那你做吧。Holly， 你能听懂我说话吗？我的中文那么差吗？Holly， 你真的听不懂我说呀 ？Holly，Hello， 你好。他去哪儿呢
I'm sorry， 我的 WiFi 刚刚有点不好。
Oh my goodness, Holly. I will mute you, okay? I'll do it for you. Wow. What? Holly, can you go? I can't mute her. Molly, 你 What is going on? I think her Wi-Fi is not very good. 笑死我了。我受不了自己的声音难听，你知道吗？难听，我不太喜欢自己的声音你知道，跟你们说，有一些中国人，不是一些，有很多中国人，每次我说话的时候，他们就会问我，Are you gay? Are you gay? 我真的无语了，为什么要问这个问题啊？I don't know why, they just say it. I don't know, they ask me if I'm gay because of my voice. Don't know why. Anyway, 刚刚没事 Holly, 跟你聊天很开心，谢谢你来跟我聊天一会儿。Yeah, it's true, everybody. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, I'll be honest with you, okay? Every time I open a voice room, there'll be like at least one person that asks me, Para, are you gay? What kind of question is that? Why? Because of my voice? What's wrong with my voice? In high pitch, 你闭嘴吧！我知道啊，你不要说，我已经知道啊，你不要说呀。I know it's quite high pitch. So, I need to make my voice deeper, and then maybe people will stop thinking I'm a little bit zesty. Okay? So, from now on, I will only have a deep British voice. Okay, is there anybody that wants to come speak with me now? Please, come onto the stage. My name is Yang Yuchen, and I'm not gay. I will repeat, I am not gay. Okay? As you can see, my voice is very deep, so that must mean I'm not gay. Thank you. Okay, it's hard to talk like that. 大概是讲得太帅了，阿曼的，你不要啊！我讲得很普通，你知道吗？很普通。